going. Airbag lights on because we didn't hook it up. Steering wheel straight. So we gotta get our plow hooked up. So I'm hoping that everything works because I've been lazy on it all year. And we had that first little snowstorm. And I had all the time in the world to check this plow. And now we're just gonna hope that it's ready to go. So we're gonna hook up to it. I'm gonna stick it in the pole barn because I'm driving the Dodge. Otherwise I'd leave it on there all year. But because we're not gonna, because we're gonna be driving the Dodge, I don't want it hooked on because it's not made for it, and the plow's way too heavy for this truck. But we're gonna go ahead and get it in the pole barn so it's not all covered in snow, so I can hook it up. So here we go. Oh yeah, come on, baby, come on. Nope, just out here just ripping around. Alright, moment of truth. Down here. Look at that. Ready to go. So the thing that sucks about changing it out so much is my little controller down here. I have to put something on the float to lower it. It's also called the float. You just hold it so that I can come out here and push the pump cylinder, or the cylinder on the pump all the way down so that the chain is loose. Otherwise I can't get the cotter pins and everything all back off because there's so much tension. So I didn't show video how to do that just because it's harder to take it off the truck than it is, I'm all confused, man. It's harder to put on the truck than it is to take it off. And so I don't really videotape it as much, but just gotta pull a couple pins out of there. This thing will drop down, and then I'm gonna leave my truck in here because I gotta work tomorrow and I don't want to clean off all the snow. Okay, so like I said, just a couple pins to pull out. I'm gonna get this side first. God, pull that one out. This whole assembly tips down. I can pull that one out. Got my breaker rotors down there to help support it. Boom. We are officially off the truck. I just gotta make sure we keep these covered. We don't want any water in there. Don't want it to corrode. Okay, so that was a quick video. Hopefully, maybe we'll get a video we actually plowing if we get enough snow this year. But that's about it. The plow is way too big for this truck. I just make it work. The truck will actually sit nose down. I put some weight in the back. I jacked torsion bars up a little bit, but I can't jack them up this year because if I'm driving a truck, I'm gonna have to jack them up every time I put the plow on, and I'm gonna have to bring them down every time I take the plow off because it's gonna make the front suspension and the CVs way too steep, and then it binds up when I turn if I crank it off too hard. So we don't want any of that. So that's all we got in this one. Thanks for watching, guys.